Hey everyone, DJ Ravine here, and welcome to Hangzhou in China. This is the big day, and we are opening up Point Blank Music School in China. Now, you might be wondering, why are we opening up a Point Blank Music School here if it's all just farmland? It's not. Right, so we are now in the building at Point Blank China. As you can see behind me, we've got a lovely wall here. People are signing. We've got some famous people. W&W upstairs in the building. But let's go upstairs, up the elevator to the 12th floor and check out Point Blank China. Let's go and take a quick little look at Point Blank China. It is a big building, so be prepared. All right, so here we are in the Native Instruments room. Here people will learn how to use Machine Mark III, also learning how to use the Machine Jam, and of course we've got the complete control here, MIDI keyboard. And either way, you can learn Ableton or Logic because this is Point Blank. We do intro to production, and at the beginning you pick your route. You go either Ableton or you go Logic. There are 20 stations here, and this is just one of many studio rooms just like this that we have. We've got another one over there that's going to be Ableton, and that's got push 2s instead of the machines. We've got another one which is going to be for music business, and 2 mixing and mastering rooms, which we'll go take a look at right now. So that might be a familiar sight because that is the SSL Duality Delta, just like the one we have in London, and people will be learning mixing and mastering here in this room. We've got heaps of computer stations as well, just like we do in London. We've also got some amazing PMC monitors, and also we've got the Atom monitors as well. Good old Atom. And of course, we have the DJ room. Here we've got some of the latest and greatest kit that money can buy, and we've got plenty of it. 20 workstations, enough for all the students to go and practice and enjoy. Now, this is something I really love about Point Blank China, is the absolutely amazing practice rooms. So we've actually got 3 practice rooms here, which are quite large, and they actually have a little tiny SSL in all of them, and we've got 2 smaller private ones. Now, 3 of these ones will also have vocal booths. The vocal booth is actually double insulated, so there is an air gap in between and 2 doors. You can see how thick each door is. So this school is very, very soundproof. We also have 2 smaller studios. We've got your computer here, your Atom A7X's, base station, complete, machine and push. But all these computers also come with Apollos. So you've got your Apollo Twin here, UAD. We've got the UAD plugins for you to use. And there you have it, the celebrations are over and Point Blank China is finally open. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want to find out more about Point Blank China, check out the links below or check out pointblankmusicschool.com, and I'll see you guys later.